Budgies are smart, active little creatures that need to keep their minds occupied. Provide your feathered friend with a selection of bird-specific toys that won't catch their beaks or nails. Look for budgie-specific mirrors, swings, and chew toys in order to avoid potentially toxic materials or choking hazards. Although the personalities of individual budgies differ, most budgies are playful and active. If you have plenty of time to devote to your feathered friend, then a single budgie should be fine. But if you aren't sure how much time you will be able to spend interacting and bonding with your pet bird, it may be best to keep a pair. That said, single budgies are more likely to learn to speak than those who have other feathered friends sharing their space. When choosing a pet budgie, it's a good idea to look for birds that have been hand-fed as babies and handled frequently by humans while young. This may help to ensure that your pet budgie isn't too fearful or nervous of you or others who live in your household. Whether you own a single budgie or a pair, entertainment is going to be important for your pet. Budgies are smart, active little creatures that need to keep their minds occupied. Provide your feathered friend with a selection of bird-specific toys that won't catch their beaks or nails. Look for budgie-specific mirrors, swings, and chew toys in order to avoid potentially toxic materials or choking hazards. Supervised time outside of the cage is a great way to ensure that your budgie gets plenty of exercise. Restrict your pet's access to a single, supervised room and be sure that there are no hot elements or open windows that could cause your budgie harm. Bird-specific play gyms can help to keep your budgie occupied and happy while enjoying time outside of the cage. Avian play gyms are available at many pet stores. If you are considering purchasing a budgie, it is important to locate a vet in your area that has training in the treatment of avian patients. If your budgie becomes ill, knowing where you can find help quickly is going to be important. Taking your budgie to see an avian vet every 6 to 12 months for a checkup, including a fecal exam, blood work, and a wing or nail trim, if required, will help to ensure that your budgie stays healthy. Some common health issues seen in budgies include parasites, obesity, chronic egg laying, overgrown nails and beaks, and egg binding. Contact your avian vet right away if you have any concerns about your budgie's health. Note: the advice provided in this post is intended for informational purposes and does not constitute medical advice regarding people or pets. Always follow your doctor's advice regarding asthma or other allergy symptoms.